Welcome to the English Vocabulary Factory.
Today, we'll learn important computer vocabulary in English, learning both hardware and software terms.
We will study the 25 most used English computer words.
Listen, read, and practice speaking along to learn these essential computer words.
I'll introduce the hardware vocabulary.
And after that, I'll introduce the software vocabulary.
Don't forget to read, listen, and speak along with Mari as we practice the computer hardware vocabulary. Computer. A machine that stores and processes information. I use my computer to write emails and do my work. Keyboard. The device with keys used to type letters and numbers. My keyboard is broken. I have to buy a new one. Monitor. The screen that shows what's happening on your computer. It is easier to do graphic design with a large monitor. Mouse. A small device you move with your hand to control the cursor. I bought an expensive laser mouse because I do so much online gaming. Printer. A machine that makes paper copies of documents or photos. I printed my assignment using the office printer. CPU. Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer that processes tasks. The CPU allows the computer to run programs quickly. RAM. Random access memory. Temporary storage in a computer that helps it work faster. My computer doesn't have enough RAM to play this new game. Hard drive. The part of the computer that permanently stores files. I save all my photos and videos on the hard drive. USB. A small port used to connect devices like flash drives or keyboards. You can plug your phone into the USB port to charge it. Motherboard. The main circuit board that connects all parts of a computer. If the motherboard is damaged, the computer won't work. Graphics card. A part that helps show images on the monitor, especially for games. A powerful graphics card is important for video games. Router. A device that connects computers to the internet. The router in my house lets me access Wi-Fi. Headphones. Devices you wear on your ears to listen to music or sounds. I use headphones so I don't disturb others with my music. Speakers. Devices that produce sound, like music, from your computer. The speakers let everyone hear the video clearly. And now, some computer software vocabulary with Dylan.
Operating system. OS. The main software that controls the computer, for example, Windows or Mac OS. My laptop has the Windows operating system installed. Application. App. A program on a computer that does a specific task, like editing text. Word is an app I use to write documents. Browser. A program used to visit websites on the internet, for example, Chrome or Safari. I opened the browser to check the news online. Update. A newer version of a software program that adds improvements. I updated my phone to get the latest features. Backup. A copy of important files saved in case something is lost or damaged. Make a backup of your files before shutting down your computer. Antivirus. Software that protects your computer from harmful programs. Antivirus software scans for viruses to keep my computer safe. Firewall. A program that blocks unauthorized access to a computer. The firewall helps protect my computer from hackers. File. a document, photo, or other saved data on a computer. I saved the file on my desktop so I could find it easily. Folder. A virtual space where you organize and store multiple files. I put all my work documents in one folder. Download. To save data from the internet to your computer. I downloaded this movie from Netflix. Upload. To send or share data from your computer to the internet. We uploaded photos from our trip to social media.
Thanks for joining us today at the English Conversation Club.
Best of luck with your studies and hope to see you again soon.